Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Andreas, and in this short video I will show you how you can change the time zone and the time on WordPress. So here I'm on the main dashboard, and on the left here you can see the settings. You click on the general, and then if you scroll down here you will see it says time zone. You can choose the time zone you prefer. Okay, let's say I want this time zone, UTC +8, okay, and then you can choose here lower date format, how you want to be the format, and time format. Okay, so you see what is better for your visitors and your users, which time format and date format is better, and then you click Save Changes. And now everything is changed and saved. Before you leave, 1 second. If you want to get your own e-learning website preloaded with 250 courses that you can sell and keep 100% of the profits for yourself, or your own digital store preloaded with 265 ebooks that you can sell and keep the profits for yourself, click the link below in the description to get more info and get yours today. Or if you want to know what is my favorite way to create passive income from affiliate marketing, then also in the description below there is a link you can click and join for free today. And if this video gave you value, then make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel so you can see more video about WordPress and about make money online. See you in another video. Bye bye.